As part of my teacher travel series, I'm going to be starting out in Redmond, Washington, which is right outside of Seattle, and I'm going to be staying in a treehouse for my birthday. That's it, the treehouse. This treehouse was built on Treehouse Masters, the television show we all loved to watch and dreamed of watching and wish we could have a treehouse like this as a kid. So my boyfriend got me this treehouse for my birthday, and when I was expecting to get into this treehouse, I thought I was going to be climbing up a ladder, just like when I was 10 years old. But lo and behold, I didn't have to do that, thank goodness, because I'm coming off of a broken ankle from last summer, if you guys have been watching my videos, and I'm not as sturdy as I once used to be. But this treehouse was just like a little cabin in the tree. It had everything that you needed, including some bunk beds if you have some little ones with you, a projector so that you could watch TV. It was hooked up to Netflix. It was hooked up to everything already that you could imagine. And it also would play the Treehouse Masters episode that this treehouse was actually built on. There is a crow's nest. I'm going to show it to you in a little bit, but I was too afraid to go up there because remember, my ankle's not as steady as it once was. And I did appreciate there was a real life bathroom. You just go outside to the wraparound deck that almost wrapped all the way around, but not all the way. There's a cable bridge that links you from the main area of where the hosts, the guests, where they live, to the hot tub and to where you're parked at, to the treehouse, so that you don't have to actually go up a ladder. So you could see that it's very beautiful at night, and it gets even more magical as the night goes on. The hot tub, you can watch cable TV right in the hot tub, and you also have the opportunity to have a little fire going on the side of the hot tub as well, which we didn't turn that on for you to see. In the treehouse, when you walk over, it's Pacific Northwest, so it's wet, so you have to be really careful because it's a little slick. You can see there's a crow's nest that's just right above, right in the center, where there's a ladder that goes up that's pretty high up. To me, I just always think I'm falling if I start climbing something from a bad experience that I had when I was a kid. So nothing about the treehouse. There's actually quite a few zip lines on the property. The host is actually fascinated by zip lines, which is pretty cool. This area leads you to the shower area, which is outside, and it's heated and there's light back there. If you're interested in booking the Emerald Forest treehouse, you can do it through Airbnb, but they also have a website where you can go and book through emeraldforestredmond.com. Which will actually save you some money. This is actually a quick video of what it looked like when I woke up, and I would just wanted to capture it because it was such an awesome moment. I hope you enjoyed this first travel video that I'm putting together just for teachers. Even if you're not a teacher, I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe and check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.